black movie. Mr. Movies, Mr. Movie Star, Mr. Actor.
Name one.
Okay, Black Panther, Black Klansman,
Wow.
Black Sheep, Black Swan.
Wait, pause, stop, please. You're just naming movies with black in it, Black Panther. First of all, those movies are brand new.
Above the Rim.
Okay, that's one of them. With Tupac.
So good.
I'm cool having a day off too, man. I'm gonna go catch up on The Wire. Greatest show on TV ever.
Take care, buddy.
That's cool for me, man. I got tickets to Wicked. I'll get back. That's cool with me, man. I hate this show. Anyway.
Hurtful.
Bring. Sorry, I gotta make this phone call. It's to the murderer. Bring. Du-du-du-du-du. Oh, is there a phone ringing in the room? I guess it's calling from inside the house. You better start talking to Miss Ian right now. So stupid.
What is an inclusion rider?
An inclusion rider is this cool thing Francis McDormand invented that makes sure all your meals, drinks, and alcohol are all inclusioned.
What is happening with the ratings of the show? It's like there's never been a celebrity on it. Why are the ratings so low? Did you look at the ratings before you signed on to this?
Bad.
Whew, a bat chewing on a grape has more views than the show.
A turtle falling off a kitchen counter. A porcupine being washed in a sink.
Do they even have ratings for webisodes?
They do, and this one is just This is the ocean.
We might be bringing 90210 back. But wait for it, we're gonna set it in the future. The year 90210.
Oh, the future. Awesome.
Imagine it, the Peach Pit on Mars. Shannon Doherty, frozen, comes to life again. Looks younger. Computers.
So help me God if I leave out of here with a tattoo? What the hell are you doing?
This whole fight is gonna be a big CGI action set piece.
What?
So I saw the storyboards, it's awesome. So I bounce off the wall and dodge this punch in super slow-mo. At the end of this, the whole building explodes, and I think you make it out too, Vince. The best part of this whole thing, we don't have to do anything. That's previs, bitch. What? Seriously? Cut for budget? Oh, come on, all right. Here we go, let's do it.